What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa, back with another video. You know I'm sitting in the car. That means we're going somewhere. This time we are going to AutoCamp Catskills. It's gonna take 2 hours and 30 minutes from South Brooklyn going to the AutoCamp Catskills. So before we go to the AutoCamp, we're gonna make one stop in the H Mark in Paramus, New Jersey. That takes 1 hour to get there. The reason why we want to go to H Mark is because the only big store around the AutoCamp is a Walmart. But I think H Mark has way better like barbecue meats, and you know, they just have better meats than Walmart. So we're gonna definitely stop by H Mark first. Enough talking. Let's just go H Mark and see what we can buy first. Okay guys, we just finished doing our H Mark food shopping. This is the first thing I'm gonna be eating for the whole day. It's one of my favorite croquet. This is a curry croquet that we got from H Mark. So this bakery is called Tous les Jours. They have really good bakery stuff, and it's inside the H Mark. So if you didn't have breakfast, you didn't have lunch, you can stop by this bakery and get something to eat. And then we also got some really good donuts. Let me show you the donuts. So we got these really pretty donuts right here. It's from this place, Mochi Nut. Oh my gosh, look at these donuts. Wow. Oh my gosh. So it's gonna take another 1 hour and a half to get to the AutoCamp from New Jersey. Okay, I see you guys there. Asa, you ready to go? Okay.
I want a scoop.
No, there's no scoop here.
Okay, good.
What's up, guys? We are finally here at the AutoCamp. Right now it's 4:23. So we left Brooklyn at 11 in the morning and we got here at 4 o'clock, which is just perfect because the check-in time here is actually 4 p.m. They have an option to check in at 1 p.m. and we tried to do that, but they said that today they don't have that available. So I guess it depends. Sometimes they have enough staff to clean up the rooms and sometimes they don't. Let's look. This is everything you get right here.
It's mango.
Yeah, it's mango, right? You got a nice big couch right here. And then this is the bathroom. And let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is actually pretty nice. Pretty nice bathroom, you see? Look at all this. Nice sink right here. You get a nice mirror right there. Very clean. The bathroom is very simple, but it's very clean. And honestly, it's nicer than a lot of bathrooms. So you know, this is more than good enough. There's a little ventilation fan up here, so that way, you know, when you go to the bathroom, you go to the toilet, you got this fan, and then you know you got no more smell in your bathroom. Great. This is excellent. I really like that. You have a nice sink here with good water pressure. You got soap, you got towel right here. Ignore all this. This is everything that we bought from H Mark. And then here is what they gave you. They gave you sugar, salt, pepper. They give you one bag of coffee, bottle openers, some matches here. Let me see. You got a lot of forks, spoon, knife, steak knife right here. You also have a can opener, okay? You got a trash can. There's a really big microwave and a decent sized fridge. As you can see, we put all the supermarket meats inside already. Here's all the foldable tables. Now you have enough table space. Before it's like it's not enough at all. And then when you don't need to use it, you can put it away.
Daddy,
Okay.
the raspberry.
Okay. Thank you. Yummy.
Yeah.
This is a queen size bed. Oh, this is memory foam. This is memory foam. Definitely very comfortable. So queen size bed. Let me tell you guys about the AC system right here. The AC system, there's two ACs. One for the bedroom, and then there's one more AC in the living room right here. You can actually control this AC separately. So if you want to turn just only one on, you can just leave it just one on. And it's very strong. When we came in here, it was ice cold. The AC is very, very strong. If you look over here, you can control it. So zone 1 is kitchen and bathroom. So that's the outside area. And then zone 2 is the bedroom right there. So if you're going to sleep and then you think the AC is too noisy in the bedroom, you can just leave the one out here on. Because this AC is freaking loud. Like crazy loud. Oh, another thing to talk about is there is nothing in here to cook with. There's no grill. There's no electric stove. There's no electric grill in here. You see that grill right there? That's the only thing you can cook with. But from my experience, cooking with that thing is super, super annoying. It's like, it's not that great. So what you want to do is, before you come here, you go and you get one of these stoves right here. These. So with this stove here, you put the gas tank in here, and then you can just cook anything you want. It's way, way easier than using that fire grill outside. So if you don't have one of these, you know, go and get yourself one. It's not that expensive. It's like $30 on Amazon. So that's about it, guys. I think right now we probably gonna clean up a little bit and then see what we're gonna make for early dinner. And then after we eat dinner, then we're gonna walk around and check out what's going on around here.
I see a fly.
Where's the fly?
Oh, here. Under the door.
Under the door?
A door. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Shoo, 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 shoo. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Where's the down of it?
Mm.
A down.
Ian, don't touch that. Ian.
touch it?
No.
You scared? You scared, caterpillar?
What is that? That's
You scared, caterpillar?
The caterpillar.
There's one here and then one there.
No.
Okay, so we cooked all the meats, and then we have salad right here. We got scallion, and then I'm gonna try out this dipping sauce right here. Samjang sauce. Yeah. Let's try the Samjang sauce with pork belly. I love H Mark meat. Not bad. Not bad sauce. So I don't know why when we were in the supermarket, I had the cooking oil, but then when we got to the cabin here, there's no cooking oil. It wasn't in the bag. So I just used pork belly. I just used the pork belly to make it like oily, and I just cooked it, and it worked. So yeah, you definitely need this sauce right here. With this sauce, everything will taste better. Got some of this. Put some beef in there. Sauce. Okay, guys, that's the first meal of the trip.
You feel like you're in Korean barbecue, right?
Yeah.
Fake. Hey, look at me, Bubble. It's Bubble. Hi. I know the bubble is fake.
Maggie, you want donut? Yes. You want donut? Which one you want? Oh, Mag, gross. Here, Mag, hold on, let me help you. Oh no, you guys are living in a... Wow, you did it!
Let's try out their coffee.
Mommy, it's in here.
Good morning, guys. So right now it's 11 a.m. and we're gonna go to the small town of Woodstock. And there's a lot of shops, there's a lot of restaurants around there, and it's only about like a 10-minute drive. So let's go take a look and see what they got over there. You know, it's kind of boring over here. There's nothing to do. Let's just go out and have some brunch. Mushroom burger, mushroom egg. Mushroom egg.
I want more.
You want more? Okay.
No, I want this one. And this other sausage.
Okay, and then
And other ice cream truck.
ice cream truck later. Okay, can you tell me the sausage good? Is it yummy?
And see on the water.
Okay, you drink the water.
And on the popcorn.
Oh, you want a popcorn?
Yeah. And eat on sausage. Mommy, strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberries.
Say cheese. There's a cheese. Look at me.
Come, let's go.
Where? There.
All right, guys, now it's time for dinner, and we bought the AutoCamp's pre-made dinner. It comes with 2 8-ounce steaks, baked beans, this macaroni thing here, and then a s'mores kit, and 1 piece of cornbread. We bought this from the nearby supermarket, and we bought zucchini from H Mart. So we bought this a while ago. We bought this from Walmart. This thing is like it makes it easier to make a fire. So what you do is you just take these things here and you put it together like this, and then you make a fire. This log, you could buy it. You could buy those wood logs in the lobby, but somebody gave us a little bit of what they had because they were going home already, so they gave us whatever they had. And then, how do I burn this? I need like... So they have these little matches inside the cabin. So let's see if I can use it. I should have bought my own matches. Look at this. Look at that. Only 5 pieces. Only 5 pieces. Let's see. So the instruction says you are supposed to light. You're supposed to light the top right here. So let's try it out. That's one. This is impossible. This is impossible. How am I? Oh man.
Oh man. Daddy, oh man.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it, yes. Okay, that's 2. That's 3. All right, now we're talking. Now we're talking. So we'll just put it like this, and hopefully this will give us enough fire. And then we can put 1 log in there. Okay. Okay. So now let the fire come up, and then I'm gonna put this grill over the top. I think that's it, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this pan on top of that, and I'm gonna spray it with some oil, and I'm gonna put the steak on top. Whoa! So they give you gloves. You gotta use the gloves right here. They give you gloves in the kitchen with this fork right here.
Wow, the pan is on fire too.
Let's see how it looks. Wow, that's quick. Oh my gosh. What? Look at this.
Because the fire is so strong.
Oh my gosh.
Thank goodness.
Wow, that's so quick. No way. Wow. This is gonna cook in like in 1 minute. I don't know what to do. So we only have salt and pepper. We don't have any steak sauce. Okay, that's the steak. If you go, we had the dumplings right here. Let's see how the dumplings are. Oh. Oh. What?
No.
So that's it, guys. Is the steak kit worth it? I think for 70 bucks, you get 2 pieces of steak. That's it. I'm not a fan of the baked beans. It's too sweet. This macaroni thing right here.
I want water.
Don't really like that macaroni thing. All right. So actually, the only thing I really like is the steak, right? See the steak here.
Okay.
The steak is not bad, but if I had to do it again, I would just get the steaks at the supermarket and then just cook the steaks myself. Get like, you get 2 steaks like 20 bucks, right? But I guess if you have no choice and you don't want to go outside and buy stuff, I guess you could get this kit. At least it comes with the s'mores, right?
A marshmallow.
Yeah, it comes with the marshmallows in here. I think this place is not bad. This auto cabin system, I think the system is pretty good because all the cabins you can see, I mean, you might not be too private. You can see your neighbors and everything. However, this is a good thing because so the parking lot is separated from these cabins. So if you have a kid, your kid can run around and play and you're not gonna worry about safety issue because no cars can go through here. The last one we went to Getaway cabin. Getaway cabin is like you can drive your car and park right next to your cabin. So, that's not safe for the kids to play when the cars are just going in and out. So yeah, this place is definitely better for kids. It's matches, baby.
Matches.
So that's already a big plus. This place is way better for kids. And then you can rent a big house. You see those big houses over there? Those houses, there's definitely more space than this Airstream. Those house cabins, they can fit 6 people. If you need more people, you can get one of those. If you come here and you plan to stay here for just one night, remember the check-in time is 4 p.m. So if you come here just like us yesterday, you come here, you're gonna cook and you're gonna eat and then you're gonna clean. You spend all your time doing that, you're not gonna have time to relax. So if you come here, I highly suggest you spend 2 nights here.
I want to play bubble.
Okay. So the reason why you want 2 nights is because, after you sleep and you wake up, you can go hiking. You can go down to the small town and spend a few hours at the town, have a breakfast, have a brunch. Just walk around and relax. Come back here. Actually, you don't even need to cook here. You can eat in the town, come back here and just relax. So I highly suggest 2 nights. This place is better than Getaway cabin because this place has the clubhouse. So the clubhouse is, you can have drinks there, you can chill. It's more open space, you can chill there. Your kids can play there also. They have a small playground over here for kids too. I mean, that playground is so small, but it's just enough for 2 years old, 3 years old kid. Just enough. So I think this place is a better option for kids. So for booking this place, if you see the prices on the weekends, man, they're like $450 a night. I don't think I'm gonna pay $450 a night. So if you can get it for like $250, $300 a night, yeah, that's fine. But I think $450 a night is a little bit too much for here. There's only 2 ways you can get this reservation for a little bit cheaper. You can book it like a few months ahead, or you can book it on the weekday. And also keep in mind that if you go to this place during the winter, the winter time, you don't get much sunlight. You come here at 4 p.m., you unpack your stuff, you move in, you make a fire, and then the sun goes down. By 6 p.m., you won't have any daylight. The best time to come here is when springtime or summertime when, you got more daylight. You can enjoy the daylight. What time is it right now? Right now is what? Let me see what time it is. So it's 6:19 right now, and there's still some daylight to enjoy. Right now it's May 14th, so, we have daylight all the way to 8 p.m. So it's excellent for kids. So that's about it, guys. Huh? Only 4 pieces.
I want to try marshmallow.
Only 4 pieces, so you can't make this wrong. You can't mess this up.
Elsa, my turn.
Okay, go. Okay, put it to the fire. Okay, hold it. Yeah.
Too close.
It's okay, it's okay. It's not close. Daddy turn. Higher, higher, higher.
It's burning. It's
Higher.
burning.
Eyes hurt.
Yeah, it's smoke. Too much smoke. Come on, come closer.
It's not hot.
It's hot, very hot.
It's not spicy.
It's not spicy. Marshmallow is not spicy.
It's a marshmallow. 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 Marshmallow.
Yeah, you have to eat it with the cookie. Look. Okay, put it inside. Wow.
And then chocolate.
I want chocolate.
Okay, here's your cookie. There you go.
I want to eat a chocolate.
All right, guys. This this s'mores kit is, they only give you 4 marshmallows. I think you should bring your own marshmallows.
I don't know.
Elsa, you ate all your marshmallow? Oh no.
Yummy.
Is it good? Tell Daddy good.
We have 2 here.
Good.
Good. Yesterday when we were here, Saturday night, all these houses was occupied. It was packed. There was like so many kids playing around here and a lot of adults barbecuing over here. All these
I
3
want
houses
to
right
play
here.
here. Then
Basically all the kids have like the whole place to themselves. They just keep running around and playing. But
Daddy,
today they all went home.
Daddy, I want to play here.
You want to play here? But
Yeah.
nobody here. Nothing here. Another good thing about AutoCamp, you can actually walk around, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty safe to walk around. Also, this place is super pet friendly. You can bring as many dogs as you want. I see a lot of people bringing their dogs here. It's a great place to bring your pet.
Mommy.
You see that, guys? That's why if you bring your kid here, make sure you pack them long pants, because if they fall down here, oh, it's gonna hurt. They're gonna have cuts and, you know, it's gonna be bleeding. So, you know, small kids, pack some pants. Trust me. So guys, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching our experience at AutoCamp. If you've been to AutoCamp already, let me know how you liked it. In the next video coming soon, I'm going to show you guys our trip in Los Cabos, Mexico. We stayed in the Garza Blanca Resort and also went exploring around Los Cabos as well. That video series will be at least 3 videos, so stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching. I see you in the next episode. Have a nice day.